$6,343. That's how much I've spent on my YouTube channel in the last year. How much have I made in the last 13 months? I don't mean to brag, but let me show you. $78.74, and I'm thrilled to death. But that doesn't really tell the whole story. So, today I thought I'd give you a deep dive into Handyman Hert's channel, kind of the business side, and a little bit of my story and how I got to where I am. I just got monetized 8 days ago, so if you're interested in following my little channel and the business side of it and the money, how it all works, I'll update it weekly and I'll post a Google Sheets for you to track along. And be sure to leave a comment below on what you want to know about the analytics and the business side. I'm pretty transparent, I don't really have much to hide, I'm not making much, so I'm free to answer any questions. First, let's dive into the expenses, starting with this desk right here. The $6,300 I spent were only on items directly related to growing my channel that I didn't already have. This includes items such as my camera, my gimbal, my wide angle fast lens, tripods, lighting, editing monitor, editing mouse, etc. This also includes items that I bought to review on the channel that I haven't yet, such as power tools, my thermal camera, and other tools and products. Items not included in the $6,300 are things I already had from years past, such as my drone, my flamethrower, all of my power tools that I've used, and other things, including my laptop and keyboard that I already had. There's 5 ways I plan on making money on YouTube. Number 1 is from revenue sharing from YouTube ads. Number 2 is Amazon affiliate marketing. Number 3 is from brand deals or sponsorships. Number 4 is from selling brand merchandise. Number 5 is Patreon memberships, super likes, and other gifts from viewers or subscribers. Revenue sharing is simply being part of the YouTube Partner Program. As I previously mentioned, I got monetized 8 days ago, so this money is from the past 8 days. To get this, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 watch hours on your videos. And the little shorts, YouTube Shorts hours, don't count. For every ad you are shown on my videos, I get 55% of the profit they get from the advertiser. I don't have that much data collected, but so far on my top 3 videos, I'm making $1.42 per 1,000 views, $3.17 per 1,000 views, and $3.77 per 1,000 views. So it's about a quarter to a third of a penny for every view. Amazon affiliate marketing, I was able to start from day 1 last year. Here's an example how that works. You watch my cleaning window AC video and you want to buy the exact foaming AC cleaner on Amazon. You go to my description, click the Amazon link, and it sends you to Amazon. If you buy that AC cleaner, or if you buy napkins, clothes, computer, or anything else on that shopping spree, I get a kickback for driving you to Amazon. There's no extra cost to you, so that's a win-win. Kind of cool, huh? It's like I'm a little salesman. Oh, that's not a good thing. So let's go see what you bought today so far. Oh, okay. We have 3 people who've bought some foam cleaner that I just showed you, some air conditioner foam fins, and suntan lotion. Reef friendly. On behalf of all the reefs out there, thank you. Here's how the rest of that one day turned out. Got a few more orders of the Frost King. The sunscreen didn't ship that day, so that's why it's not on here, but this was a really good day. Thank you very much for using my link, guys and gals. I forget now, but I think I get between 2 and 4% back on average. Okay, this will be fun. Let's go back to my spreadsheet with all my expenses, and let's take the money we've received from YouTube and Amazon and start paying off some of these things. I have these on the left organized from least expensive to most expensive, with a running total to the right. Okay, do a little strike through. Hey, look at that. We're working through this apple 1 bite at a time. I still have a long ways to go before I get into the green, but that's okay. Growth on YouTube isn't linear, it's exponential. Here's another progress sheet that I'll put in the link below as well. Both of these sheets I'll try to update every Monday, and I don't know how many months I'll do this, but I won't do it forever. So if you click on it and see it hasn't been updated in a while, you'll know why. A brand deal is when a company comes to you and wants to sponsor you in a video that promotes something for them. I've only done one, and that's through TikTok. I'll probably do more, but I promise that I will never do anything that jeopardizes the integrity of Handyman Hertz. My audience is the boss, not the sponsors. And I'll never do anything to put myself or the channel in a financial position to where I'll need to rely on sponsors. Merchandise isn't something that I've put any effort into so far. That's when you put your logo on hats and shirts and you name it. And to be honest, right now, I don't see anybody other than my dear mother who wants to wear something with my logo on it. But down the road, I'll put a line out, why not? Channel memberships, Patreon, super likes, and other gifts are a way that some people like to support a channel. I don't have anything set up yet, but I might. How that works is, let's say I have a how-to video that saves you a lot of money and frustration. They may want to support the channel in one way or another. So what's the future look like for Handyman Hertz? I'd really like to crank out 2 videos at least a week, and maybe even a few shorts. I'd like to eventually hire a full-time video editor. I'd like to eventually even get a brand manager. It'd be really nice to have someone that A, brings more skills to the table than I do, and I could kind of brainstorm with, can take some of the workload off, and keep me accountable in some ways. Right now it takes about 4 or 5 hours of work behind the scenes to create 1 minute of finished video. So a 7-minute video takes anywhere between 28 hours and 35 hours to complete. That's all of the setting up, the scripting, the lighting, the camera, the acting, which I'm terrible at. I have to do a million takes. Video editing, post-production, YouTube optimization, thumbnail, and the list goes on. And I'm not very good at any part of it, so that number will come down as I just get more familiar and just do it over and over again. Another thing I'd like to do is buy a different house, maybe even one with a really cool shed that I could turn into a studio to do most of my videos. And I'd also like the channel to make enough money to where I could do really cool and bizarre things, such as strap 8 leaf blowers to a kayak and just zip around a lake or a pond. How cool would that be? I don't know. I've got a lot of weird and crazy ideas in my head that are just dying to get out, and they need a little bit more money. As you can see, I'm already in the hole to get that going. Overall, I'm having fun. I just really want to get better videos put out, get more put out more often. If you're still watching, I can't believe it, but thank you. And all of this is because people like you are watching and subscribing. And if you click right here, I'm sure you'll find a few videos. Here's some tool reviews I've done. And if you want to learn something in 2 minutes, I've got a 2-minute tutorial playlist that you may get a kick out of. Thank you so much for your support, and we will see you in the next video.